So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me which is my preferences in regarding to banks. So I think that there shouldn't be any preferences regarding to one bank in particular, but it should be the bank that you think is the best to your actual situation right now. So for instance, I would say that if you've got your actual salary there, that they give you some type of benefits, obviously that they've got the minimum commissions possible, and that in general, if you've got a problem, they are there to assess you, not to sell you stuff, but to assess you and to try to help you. So right now, I think my investor is the best to have just normal mutual funds or index funds. I think it's great. No actual commissions there, only the one that the proper fund actually has, but the broker does not charge you any. We've got a remuneration on the actual, sorry, interest on the actual account too, if you've got some cash on the side. And then I would say Santander, BBVA, and Bank Inter work really well. Also Deutsche Bank and Amex for points if you've got an actual credit card, which you use pretty much all the time. So that's my humble opinion. Let me know in the comments what you think about banks and which one you think is the better actual bank right now.